Hi everyone. Okay, so no red ink. So we are going to tackle this together. I've never used it before, but I think I haven't figured it out. So during our intern makeup week, you're gonna have a couple of things for no red ink. So we're gonna be going over this in Class Connect. But if you happen to not be in Class Connect for some reason, this is the PowerPoint that I'm going to use. So, and obviously if you watch the video, you should be good to go. So you're going to log in from the PowerPoint basically, and you're going to set up your No Red Ink account. So if we go into here, you are going to basically click into this link. That's all you have to do is click on there and you are going to sign up. And I'm going to do like a fake student sign up just to show you how to do it. Right, so I'm logging in, except I have to log out of mine. All right, hold on one second. All right, sorry about that. So I was logged in, so it automatically was just going to mine instead of what you needed to see, which is, are you ready to join Mrs. Six's English 108 class? So you're going to sign up as a student. So if for some reason you already have an account, that's great, but I'm thinking that most of you don't. So have you just sign up as a student. So you're going to click that. And you are going to sign up with your email. I would prefer that you guys just use like your OHVA email because that's going to be the simplest thing for you to do. So go ahead and sign up with your email, first name and last name. So I'm going to do like a fake name just to show you. So I'm going to do like Mickey Mouse. You guys are doing your actual name, right? Your username can be whatever you want it to be. So I'm going to do my username as, I'm just going to do it Mickey Mouse all together. You can do whatever you want to keep it at. This is what I would absolutely recommend that you do. Write down whatever it is that you're doing. Write it on a Word doc, put it on one of those little post-it sticky note things down there. Whatever it is that you need to do, make sure that you do that. Your email is optional, so I'm not going to add an email here, but you should. So you should add your school email here, just so I can show you what the student version looks like. But definitely add an email. So and I'm recommending that you do your OHVA email, right? And then your password, again, write down whatever it is. But I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 just so it's super easy. So I'm going to sign up as a student, right? And of course, the name's already been taken. So let me do, let me see if Donald Duck's already been taken. And then password, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let's do, so have to do a harder password, right? So let me do, see if that works. And then we will do, we'll do Bo and Hank for mine. So they'll be my student username. All right. Yay, that all worked, right? So when you come in, what's going to happen is it's going to have you like look at things that maybe you like or that you're familiar with. And what's going to happen is you start to ask when it does questions for you, it's going to refer to some of the characters in these things. So let me see. So like Riverdale, I don't really watch Riverdale, but my kids did. I love Shrek. What else? I know a lot of you like Flash and Supergirl. I love Hamilton, High School Musical. Wow. Ooh, I used to love Phineas and Ferb and Jessie. I watched that with my kids. And then Frozen. Moana. So then you get to a certain point, they're like, great, we have enough, right? So then you're like, okay. So then you hit there. So when you pop up, the very first thing that you are going to see is this practice on how to use No Red Ink. So I want you to do this one first because this one's going to show you really simply how to go through things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another video that's going to show you how to use that. So I'm going to do that right now. So you have 2 little short videos, but that's how you sign in. Very easy. And then your assignments are here. So once you do that, really, really simple.